If somebody's trash can jumped out in front of your 03 to 07 Silverado, I know the feeling. So I'm gonna help you replace your side mirror with this quick how-to video. Well, as you can see on my truck, my mirror's gone. I already started this project earlier, so I'm gonna show you some things on the driver mirror and then circle back around to this side. So the first step in the process is taking this piece off, which is simple. All you have to do is just grab it anywhere and slowly pry it off, and it just pops right off. And from there, you can see this foam that needs to come out, which reveals the 3 10 millimeters that you have to take off to get the mirror off, along with the wires. Wouldn't it be cool if that plug was right there and you could just unplug it and that would be it? But nope, we gotta take this door panel off as well. Once you pull those 3 nuts out of here, look like this. Your mirror is gonna be loose, but just hanging on by the wire. Here's what the mirror looks like. I have a used mirror that I'm putting on this truck. This is the used mirror that I bought. I already cut the old mirror off. I cut the wires off to just free it up so it's not hanging while I take off this door panel and get to the electrical wire. So to remove the door panel, you have this hex bolt here, a screw up here in the door jamb area. We took a screw out of here, and the longer one underneath the panel right here. And there's still another one hiding. So now I got this tiny little upholstery tool to pop off this. And to pop off this. I broke the tool. And we're free. All right, we got a Phillips screw inside here. And I do believe that the door panel should just come off at this point. And she's off. So back here, behind the buttons, you have your 2 plugs. You just have to press in on these little tabs and they pop right out. So I'm just gonna pull this out of here. Clipped in. And that's my cord, or that's my wires. Okay, next step. Just run the wires back through the middle hole. Mirror on. these finger tight. $10mm. Just loosely hanging that door panel on for testing purposes. Has these hooks on the bottom that you have to slide in these holes. You can see down there this little white hook slides into the door, and there's one up here that slides into there. Put that back in there. There's a little wedge you have to put the locking mechanism in to slide it back and forth. So line that up. Pop that back in there. Good to go. Slide our handle piece back on. That lined up. Or a hex screw back in here. We have the plastic clip that goes up here. We got two 7mm screws left. The smaller one goes underneath the handle. And the longer one underneath the panel right here. And from there, all we have to do, put the foam back in. Around the wires. And clip the last piece of trim into place. And we're on. Now we're just gonna clean that thing up.